Alright, these parrots do not like to be filmed. So I swear, I've been out here for, I don't know, 20 years. They're actually letting me film them. Huh. Are you guys letting me film you? You guys in a good mood today? Huh? Alright. Right there. It's 4 of them. Oh, you guys aren't talking anymore. Come on, the camera's on. You can say something. Don't make me go get the flashlight. Wanna go get the flashlight? You guys camera shy? Huh? You camera shy now? You guys there you are. There you are. There. Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh, now they're talking. There we go. Parrots out there. Well, the seagulls up there. No? Those are parrots. Parrots. Oh, there you guys are. And parrots. Good morning, Santa Ana.